What's the meaning of circumscribe? Circumscribe. Circumscribe.
Circumscribe. Circumscribe. Circumscribe can have a few different meanings, but in general it refers to the act of defining or limiting something within certain boundaries. This can be used in a literal sense, such as drawing a circle around an object to define its limits, or in a figurative sense, such as limiting someone's power or abilities. Regardless of the context, circumscribing implies creating a clear and defined boundary around something. The result of circumscribing is a clear and concise definition or boundary, which can help prevent ambiguity or confusion.